at the end, I want to say this is not a work which I did alone. I was inspired by Blaylock, Euroscott and Frank Andrews very much. And Albert Satura was always my statistical conscious. Maris de paper was doing a lot of research programming for me. Anushka organized for us a lot of meetings where we were talking about these things. And Roger Joel allowed me to do this kind of research in the ESS. And Juan Manuel Batista made it possible for me to move my research group from Amsterdam to Barcelona, which I enjoyed very much. Then there were a lot of students, of course, involved in all this research, and I probably forgot some of them, but you add your name to this list, I'm very happy to have you there. I must say, I leave this task to the next generation, and I'm very glad to have a very good group which can do this kind of work. And so I have a lot of confidence that they will take the right decisions. And in the meantime, I'm doing something else. On inline skating, they have no club for inline skating there. So I started this, and I must say, it's not so big at the moment as the ESRA, but I enjoy it just as much, I think. Thank you very much.